Good morning, I'm Amy Lynn. We're back with another edition of Business Leaders Spotlight, and today we're featuring Christian Fouts from Core Real Estate Properties. Good morning to you, my friend.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm great. Congratulations. How are you doing, best-selling author?
Excellent. I'm so excited to be here. It was such an honor and privilege to be a part of Expert Profiles, Innovators, and Influencers. And my particular chapter was about real estate and helping sellers that needed to sell their property quickly.
Yeah, you and I have talked, and what you got inspired to do was help people that really almost were at a time where they were past the point of being able to get help when they were struggling.
Correct, exactly. We provide open and honest communications with the people that we meet with who are facing financial difficulties and need to sell their house. And I found that being open and honest in our offer that we made is just as important as the amount of the offer.
It's really important for people to know that there's somewhere that they can go, because I think a lot of people struggle and they don't say anything, or they don't know who to say anything to. So that's where they can come in and get in contact with you.
Exactly. And a lot of times it's best if they contact us earlier in the process, because then they have more options that are available to them, and we can help them with their financial situation so that they can move on and have a clean slate.
Exactly. So along with getting the book that you have your chapter in, Expert Profiles, and also getting a hold of you and your real estate agency, Core Real Estate Properties, how do we do that?
Best way is to reach us through our website at corerealestateproperties.com.
Now, I also hear that along with being on paper, you're also doing a lot now on social media, so we can see you on different platforms, right?
Exactly. So one of the things that we started doing at our company is uploading a lot of the videos of the remodeling and the rehabs that we're doing on the properties that we are closing on. And also we're starting to do more testimonials with the different clientele and sellers that we've been able to help.
That's, you know what, there's nothing like having a first-hand conversation with someone who has been helped by you to let other people know that they can actually reach out and get your help as well. How do we get in contact with you?
Exactly. Our Facebook page is Core Real Estate Properties, and we have our YouTube channel as well, Core Real Estate Properties, which is connected to all of our social media.
Fantastic. Christian, congratulations on the success of the book and continued success with Core Real Estate Properties. Thank you for being on this morning, my friend.
Thank you for having me.
Find out more by logging onto our website, fox4morningblend.com.